Hi everyone, my name is Marco, I'm from Italy and I'm a graphic designer. Today I'm excited to share with you my redesign concept for the Heroic Esports website. This project means a lot to me and it was entirely created using Adobe XD, which I like to think of like a dead twin of Figma. So actually it's dead because if you go on the website you don't find Adobe XD, because only if you had it before they disbanded that you can have it, otherwise you don't find it anymore. I poured a great deal of time and effort into it, completing it about 6 months ago, or probably 8, I don't remember. Since then I haven't touched it or had the chance to make a video about it till now. The project started when Heroic was in the middle of a redesign their site. I envisioned my own version based on what their design looked like at that time. My concept revolves around their primary brand colors, so red, black and white, which I used to structure the entire visual style. For typography, I paired their official brand font, Monument, with Roboto. Monument is bold and impactful, but I want to balance it with something lighter and more approachable. So Roboto's squared forms complement Monument while keeping the overall look clean and modern. Let's begin with the header. At the top of the site, I included Heroic's logo, which serves as a clickable link to return to the homepage from any page, where the current page is highlighted in red and underlined for clarity. On the far right, you will find 2 icons, one for account settings and the other for the shop. These elements hint at dedicated section for users and merchandise. Moving down, the first thing you see is a large featured image paired with a title and a subtitle for the latest or most important news or article. Clicking on it takes you directly to the news page. On the right there is a preview of a secondary article with a similar clickable link. Scrolling further, you arrive at the teams section, showcasing Heroic's roster across various games. Here I used red gradients, white accents and a black background to maintain a strong connection to Heroic branding. Hovering over each team's image reveals the game's signature colors in the background. To add a fun twist, I included quirky and playful subtitles that reflect Heroic's light-hearted approach. Next is a mini shop section highlighting a few products. Hovering over each item emphasizes it visually. Below that is a sponsor area, available in both a static and scrollable version, which I will show later in this video. Further down is the live game section, featuring a match calendar to keep fans updated on upcoming games. It displays match details such as the team playing, the schedule time, and a game title, whether it's CS2, Valorant or others. Lastly, the footer includes essential links such as shipping, no refunds, and contact us, and so on, along with social media icons and the Heroic's logo, which links back to the homepage. Switching to the news sections, there is a sub-menu under the header that allows users to filter articles by category. Club news, all news, or game-specific updates. The selected category is highlighted in the red. Articles appear with a clean layout featuring an image, title and publication date. Below this, I added a video section linked to Heroic's YouTube channel. My original idea was to expand this to include content from platforms like Instagram or TikTok in the future. Moving on the shop section, there is a category for discounted products that displays the original price, discounted price, and the discount percentage in red. Navigation arrows allow users to browse products intuitively. The idea was to limit the number of displayed items to keep the experience streamlined. In the team section, I include a player roster, their roles such as in-game leader, support, or OPER, and the performance team behind them, like coaches, analysts, and assistants. At the bottom, there is a achievements section, highlighting trophies won by them. The company section tells Heroic's story, why it was founded, and its core values. I also added a gallery of their latest trophies at the bottom to emphasize their successes. Finally, the live matches sections offer a detailed preview of ongoing and upcoming matches. It included tournament names, match formats like best of 3, best of 1, and so on, start times, dates, and competing teams. An integrated calendar allows users to plan ahead and conveniently access match details by clicking directly on the event cards. Below the live match preview, I added a live chat features where fans can cheer for a Heroic. User can unlock special badges based on Heroic core values or achievements, like gold or bronze logos, through subscription or specific milestone. For non-registered users, a newsletter sign-up option is conveniently located next to the chat to bring the person to click on. I also included a best deals section in the live matches area, encouraging fans to shop without leaving the live stream, making it easy and seamless. The entire design focuses on optimizing user experience, reinforcing Heroic branding, and encouraging fans to spend more time on the site. I hope you enjoyed this project, guys, and the video. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps me out. My YouTube channel is still in like early stages, in a swamp, and I'm experimenting to see what resonates with the audience. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and thank you all for your support. Love you all, guys. Like, thank you.